My name is Satish. I am from grade 15. My project was language learning AI course. In this project, this is my team, Venkat sir and Ajay. Okay. In this project series, we use students learning codes. For example, students learn grammar mistakes, verbal, adjective, nouns, like using. Okay. Multiple languages and modern NLP. NLP means natural language process. It is used to student understand the language to convey students. Speech to text pronunciation feedback. Students learning communication skills improving like speech, learning grammars. Let's go. We use in this project modern schools NLP for grammar correction, real-time grammar feedback, user inputs students, like detection syntax and spelling mistakes and improve communication skills for students. Okay, next speech to text SPT. This is used to automations, audios, videos to multiple data clearness, improve. Next. Multilingual embedded plus transfer AIS. This is Google Translate and users. Okay. My friend continue.
And we are in this project learning AI course we use front-end in this project features and integrated way. In this project daily challenges, short tips and speaking tasks are involved. Rewards and badges also included for gamification to keep process outside. Speaking practice mode also conducted. AI lesson center gives translate skills, grammar correction exercises, suggest AI correction and experiments. Multilingual support like learning English, Spanish, French, German and more. Progress in plan means continuous learning with athlete dashboard.
Project name is language AI course. Technical architecture, front-end we use React, Node.js, and like Java, CSS, HTML. In backend, Node.js, Python we use, and database we use store data because MongoDB and structures database and AI models using face transfers, OpenAI, feature enhancement. Students will use personal AI capture with short-based learning, voice cloning for creative conversation playback, based interactive learning, multi-learning for
Coming to in this project conclusion, we use uses from students like improving communication skills, grammar mistakes, like error reductions. So thank you.